Hello, welcome back to Champion Crafts. Today I'm going to show you how to make these cute, adorable flowers. You will need a 3.5mm crochet hook, some yarn, scissors, and a tapestry needle. Wrap it around to make a X. Then you're going to take your crochet hook, go in under the first one and then over the second one. Grab that yarn and you're twisting it. Go to the second one, go there and then pull through. And then grab your yarn and then you're going to chain two. Go through this way. 1, 2. Don't go like this. Go around 2, and then you're going to do 2 double crochet. Wrap the yarn around, go through here, wrap the yarn around again, and then you're going to grab the yarn, go through 2 of them, not 3, 2, go through 2 of them again. That's 1 double crochet. And do it again. Wrap the yarn around, go through the hole, wrap it around, grab it, around, go through 2 of them, go through 2. Now you're going to slip stitch. Go wrap the yarn around, grab the yarn, you're going to pull through. This is one of the petals. You're going to do that 4 more times. You're going to do that 5 times total. Now you're going to chain 2. Make sure you grab like that. Chain 2. Then wrap the yarn around. Go through. Wrap the yarn around again. Go through 2 of them. Not 3. Do that again. Then you're going to slip stitch. Slip stitch. Wrap the yarn. Pull through. Now right here we have 2 of the petals, and now you're going to make 3 more. So now we just finished doing the 2 double crochets, and then you're going to pull to make sure that there's no hole in the center, and see right there how there's like 1, 2, go right in and slip stitch and pull through. You might need to pull again. 1, and then you're going to cut off and pull through. And then you're going to take your tapestry needle. Make sure you keep on pulling this tight because you do not want to so close this thing when it's at the hole in the middle. And then what you're going to go here, you want to make sure this is long. You're going to these little divots. Around and through. Cut off any of those ends. Make sure you don't cut it off. Oh gosh. cut off any of those ends. And there you have it. You have these cute, adorable flowers. They are so pretty. And you can use them as decorations, or you can turn them into keychains. They're so pretty. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and comment down below for any questions or comments. Thank you for watching. Bye!